All right, we got a HP copier here that failed. Now, you can't have an office without having a little bit of coffee. In this case, Tannerite. Oops, nah, flip the whole thing up.
Can't leave the paper tray up.
I know, otherwise it won't print.
You got enough paper in there to finish the job?
Full of paper?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
This ought to be good. All right, let's go blow this thing up. We're going to get rid of it the right way. We're going to use my 308 precision rifle, and we're going to see it in high definition. All right, here we go. What is that? About 2.5 pounds?
It's about 2.
2 pounds of Tannerite?
Don't need much Tannerite to do the job. You don't want overkill.
No. Overkill's what it's all about. That's how you fix a copier. Let's go see the aftermath. Yeah. We got a little bit of everything in this thing around here. A little bit of paper. We're not even close to ground zero yet.
I think you might need a new toner cartridge.
Yeah, I think it's out of toner. Well, we know it's out of paper. Yep. This is how you fix it. HP copier. That stuff's everywhere. Oh, didn't leave much of a crater.